Molweni namkelekile kwakhona kwezi Chisa Bay Entertainment. Guys, uvuyokazi ke kudala a trender left, right and center ever since yena ke no DJ Zonzo decided into babazolika a relationship yabo and then act as if it was a mistake. Now, after ke fans zikavuyokazi have been calling her out okanye bemonisha bemqwayisa into ba lo Zonzo lona omdathayo, he is for the streets, ngubhebhize igama lakhe lesibini. You should not be in such a relationship after you've worked so hard to rebrand, after sowusebenze kangaka somhle kangaka, you are going back there. Kukhona ke even those that have been coming forward saying they don't even believe intoba la apartment anayo ngoku uyirenta ngamandla wakhe. Now I have to say, as someone who is always in people's businesses, apartment ke kavuyokazi, this is according to what I've seen ke kwi-posts zakhe. It is sponsored by Central Blue. I think you guys will see whenever she posts ke kuba khona. I'm just gonna put pictures up so that nizibonele nani. So I highly doubt intoba the reason as to why she would date DJ Zonzo is because mhlambe wehlulwa yi-apartment rental. I really doubt, because nani niyabona ingathi ke wafumana i-partnership mhlambi kukhona ke i-percentage ayifumanayo that's going to be off. She's also active on Facebook as well as YouTube. Inoba imali ke iyonela for i-apartment plus ke the paid partnership from the Blue Ntoni? I'm sorry if I'm butchering their name, guys. Central Blue, okay? If namlandela nizokwazi intoba she has partnered up with them. Now, unfortunately ke for uvuyokazi, i-girlfriend kaZonzo, DJ Zonzo, has also come forward and ke uye wa reactor to what is currently trending. And this is the first thing uye waposta ke i-video kavuyokazi no Zonzo, then ke wabhala wathi maybe ki prank or ke AI. She then went on and said, someone said after he cooked for you, I'm sorry but that's hilarious, and meaning that uZonzo ebegqiba ukumphekela not so long ago and now ke uyabona ugalavanda no vuyokazi. She then went on to say, I don't feel anything and I have nothing to say. These people are both adults with kids who knew what exactly it is that they were doing, okay? So uyabashabulela uHazel ke uyabashabulela. This is the same Hazel, guys, obone no DJ Zonzo during the Durban July guys, unezigaxa after zigaxa. Now guys, ndiyabona ke uba uvuyokazi akazibekanga phansi. She is a handful of abantu that are trying to control impilo yakhe. Uye wahamba ke wayeposta ku Facebook. The first thing ke ayipostileyo uthi sanuzenza fresh ngam nina. What's funny is that you are busy following him. Followisha bani uDJ Zonzo. Bendingamfollowishi ke mna guys, ngicela ukuzikhupha ndigqiba ukumfollowisha ngoku. Unfollowisha the time owayijola nomntana ekunguphabhalo, an underage girl, unfollowisha then ke ngoku because kaloku oyazi ndifuna indaba ndihamba ndayemfollowisha. Uthi y'all are busy following him but coming to type nonsense kwi-pictures zam. Ninjani kanti? Lastly, my downfall will not be associated with any man. Sanondiqhela nina, okay? Because abantu bebesithi uDJ Zonzo will be your downfall, okay? Abanye baboda abamnika i-3 months 4 months bathi we umbuze ukuthi uDJ Zonzo, sithi esazi uDJ Zonzo 4 months is too much. Waphinde ke wayobhala wathi ndingonwabi ngoku ayifuthek nizenza oh mother Jesus too much. Nisile nina kutsho kwebani? Kutsho uvuyokazi, guys. Yo, andazi noba ndizothi utsho kwi-fans or utsho ku-naysayers, because there are some fans that have claimed that they are so disappointed to see uvuyokazi dating umntu onje, or rather one-behavior. Yes, unemali, but i-behavior ka DJ Zonzo, guys, it's just too much. Like he's doing too much on social media. Like mangathiwi ndizothini, umhlambe the fans would have loved for uvuyokazi to date someone on the down low, umuntu oziphethe kakuhle, umuntu osebenza kakuhle, umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi take care, but angabi kwi-spotlight, guys. Honestly speaking, I think that is the only thing that the fans wanted. the fans wanted. That is the only thing like guys. All the best for Uvuyokazi. That is the only thing. So andazi ndoba, why are they catching so much smoke? Now khona ke abantu that have come forward to share that the reason as to why Uvuyokazi has decided to post to get uDJ Zonzo is because she is competing with Izingane Zesithembu. We'll know that next month ke Izingane Zesithembu zizoqala ke ukudlala, and they dropped their premium sometime this week. A trailer yabo iye drop her, and so some people are of the view that mhlawumbi ebefuna ke ukucompete with what is currently trending ke ngezingane zesithembu, nayo ebefuna ukuba part of the trend. They're asking why ezoposta nguye phofu postile. It's not like I don't believe it's a mistake, guys. I think they, just like Hazel said, they both know what it is that they are doing. They are currently galavanting kula Pitoli baya poster ke both ke indawo ezifanayo. Obviously they probably shared an apartment during that night, you understand. So people are saying umhlawumbi it's she's got pressure of Izingane Zesithembu that will be playing. Now some are saying she has achieved a goal yakhe because she is currently trending #1 all over social media platforms. But I'm just asking myself, njani, because Izingane Zesithembu, guys, azikaqali nokuqala, you understand. So yeah, guys, nanso ke trending topic of the hour. Speaking of Izingane Zesithembu, khona video ke egqitywa ukudrotshwa nguTirelo. I don't know if it's a get ready with me okanye inside photoshoot ntoni apho ke kukhona khona no Amahle naye ndiye ndambona uye watrenda kakhulu ke after the trailer dropped. #1 unxibe ilokho emnyama, and people have been saying maybe this is a symbolism indoba she is done with the relationship yakhe ke noMpumelelo. The way uMpumelelo ambambe ngakhona akambambanga as if they are in love. And furthermore ke le video edrotshwe nguTirelo further shows that Amahle is just not happy, or rather she does not look happy, because uTirelo uyamhomba and Amahle is just not at all having it. So people were calling out Amahle indoba it's not like ufosiwe ukuba kwizingane zesithembu. Also, you dated uMpumelelo knowing very well that he comes with reality TV. So you cannot be acting all moody when it's time to shoot, you understand? So people were coming for Amahle, while others were saying, guys, you need to understand that Amahle is someone that is an introvert, and it's not because agafuni okanye agathandi, but that's just who she is. Khoneke ebebeza in front saying hayibo Amahle kodwa kwi lives zakhe, ku TikTok lives zakhe, she's a very bubbly person. So why, when it's time for her indoba makashuthe Izingane Zesithembu, why does she always look like she does not want to be there? Why does she always look sad? Ithini into yakhe? Because kwi lives sesimbone all bubbly, I understand. So nansi ke iclip kaTirelo ke no Amahle. Let me know what your thoughts are. uTirelo ended up closing the comment section because it was just becoming too much, but I did manage to get you guys just a few comments and I get le video I posted le ku TikTok. Your thoughts, guys, must engage again his topic as he turns and bona shortly. Bye guys.
Okay. Say hi banyana baka. Isho. Say hi banyana baka. Isho phela mahle. Princess Sukuma mahle. Sukuma. I'm finishing off. Ingcono eyamahle. 12. Awunanga uyathwila uprincess.